Well, as we get deeper into the week, the weather story is going to get sort of deep, and we're going to be dealing with a potential mess. Let's get the details now from Ray.
Yeah, and this one is going to be bringing with it all the different types of precipitation: rain, some snow mixed with rain, and freezing rain. So this means we could be looking at some slushy accumulations. By the time the system makes it here 24 hours from now, we could be seeing freezing rain, which is the icy glaze, and other spots getting just rain. Now, as we get in closer to town, you'll notice we're still mostly clear. That's leading to some colder temperatures around right now, but into the ridges, into the Laurel Highlands, Indiana County as well, we have a winter storm watch. This goes into effect tomorrow at 10 p.m., stays in effect until 10 p.m. Thursday. Now, these get changed over to either winter weather advisories or winter storm warnings. That's going to happen tomorrow, and I would not be surprised if we saw an advisory or getting added into some of the northern communities above Pittsburgh, especially as you get closer to I-80, because there is that potential for some icing there too. And here's what we're looking at. Clouds are going to start to work back in tonight, but tomorrow is when we turn cloudy again by the afternoon. Late, we're going to see this rain turning on, and this is going to happen around 9-10 o'clock, starting to edge into the southwest. This does lift in, and you'll notice that there's this pink showing up here, which is a mix on the legend, but it also is one of the ways that the radar, or the future radar, shows us the potential for freezing rain, which is the icy glaze. And that's the concern here, because those higher elevations are more prone to seeing a freezing rain scenario with a situation with some warmer air trying to nudge in like this. But what's also going to happen is, this is 2 a.m. By the time we're getting to the morning commute Thursday, some of that's going to push to the north, and that's why I think we might see some advisories once we get into tomorrow get issued up this way. Now, Pittsburgh's going to mainly see rain, but there's another issue as the leading edge comes in that could create some evaporational cooling, which will drop the temperatures, which could lead to some brief periods of freezing rain or drizzle. And that's one of the things we'll be watching for as this initially starts. But the best chances for freezing rain are in the ridges, followed by areas to the north, and then into Pittsburgh. So we have that setup. This is going to start to wrap up by the time we get into Thursday, late afternoon and evening. I think Friday comes with only spotty light precipitation, so some light drizzle or some light flurries. But the best shot to see ice is north and in the ridges. So this is where the biggest area of concern is, and why we have our first alert weather day for Thursday, because of those slushy accumulations and the potential of that freezing rain to get in there as well. This could lead to some very slick travel. So if you're doing any travel Wednesday night or Thursday into those areas, especially east or north, take it easy and plan on extra time. As it stands, current conditions show we have these mainly clear skies, 28 degrees, light winds. For tonight, 23. Clouds are going to start to increase late out ahead of that next system, but we get through most of the day tomorrow dry. It's not until we get closer to midnight where that rain starts to move in. Wintry mix for Thursday, and that does include the rain and freezing rain mixed in there as well. With our first alert weather day there, colder for the weekend, some scattered snow showers, but accumulations look light.